So this is part 2. We will start with this example. Write a program that prints out number from 0 to 10. He want from us to write a program from 0 to 10. Okay, so you have to write for initialize, so it is int I equal 0, and we want to reach is less than or equal 10 and plus plus. Okay, second one, he want to us to write a program that prints out the number from 0 to 10 in descending, or I don't know how they call it, how they pronounce it. Okay, whatever it, he want to write from 10 to 0. So for int I, we want to start from 10, I greater than or equal 0, and I negative negative. Why I minus minus? Because you want to from and 10 9 8 2 reaches the 0. Okay, second one, write a program that prints here. Okay, write a program that prints out the even number from 2 to 20. So use for, it is easy, believe me. Int I, we will start from what? 2, and we want to reach from or to what? 20. Here you have to focus here. Pay attention, you want just the even number, which is 2, 4, 6, until you reach to the 20, right? So you want I, instead of using plus plus, you want I equal I plus 2. Why? Because if you enter, for example, 2, the program will ask, is 2 less than or equal 20? True. So I equal I, which is 2, plus 2, which is 4, and so on. 6, 8, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, until the program reach to 20. Okay, here we have write a program that accepts 10 numbers from the user and prints out the sum of even number and sum of odd number. That is actually a beautiful example and question. So so we'll start now. And here we have sum odd. Okay, so we will call sum of even number sum even, and sum of odd number sum odd. Okay, equal 0, sum even equal 0, and we have 10. Okay, number. Okay, number. Okay, we will use for int I equal from 0, of course, until we reach to the 10, I plus plus. Okay, open bracket, C out, enter number, cn number. Okay, here we will not use sum or anything, we just want to start. So if number, to know if the number is even or not, you just write number modulus 2 equal. So twice equal mean is it equal or not, and equal like this, that mean it is equal. So you don't ask the program if it's equal or not, you are telling him that it is equal. But twice equal mean you ask the program if it is equal or not. 0, open bracket here, no, sum even equal equal number, close it. Else if we have odd, what we sum odd equal number, finish. And we just want to close it, so close it, the bracket, see out. Here we have the sum of even number, make this sum even, you write what you decline it, end line, same thing but sum of odd, blah blah blah, sum odd, trick end line. That's it. Nothing important, just moving. Yeah, here here just like telling you the structure of for loop, and it is not depend in one like shape or one structure. Here like you can find the int I equal 1, which is the initialize, he wrote it outside, or he can write the increment counter, write it for example here, or yeah, so there's more, there's many and plenty of structure for loop. But if you want to write a program, I refer to you. I'm sorry, I prefer you to use the simple one, which is for here initialize yeah, here I wrote it, I forget everything. Yeah, initialize counter, and here we have increment counter, and here what we want to, yeah, we call it test counter. Yeah, finish it, everything we have. Yeah, we have last 4 example or 3 example. Let's say write a program that calculates the factorial for any given positive number. Okay, just to make everything clear, factorial, for example, when you want to get the factorial of 5, you multiply 5, 4, 3 until you reach the 2. Until you reach to 1. How can we write the program that calculate the factorial for any given positive number? And yeah, so int factorial, we don't have to write factorial, we can write fact. And yeah, and you have to make sure it is equal 1. It is impossible to the factorial can initialize with 1, because initialize with 0, because if you start from 0, every time you enter the number, it will be 0, because any number multiply with 0, it will be 0. So in fact equal 1, and we have number. Okay, here we will use here you can write cout, enter a positive number, because he said here a positive number, num cn number. Okay, cn number, if because we are not want any negative number, so if number less than 0, cout. Here you can say enter a positive number only. A positive number only. Okay. Else. No, we don't have to write else. I'm sorry. No, we have to write else. Oh, yeah, because because if number less than or equal 0, so enter a positive number only. Else refers to this. So else and write int I equal. We wanted, yeah. This is the important part. If you want the factorial number, that means you have to start with 1. And I, which is 1, less than or equal number, because you want to reach to something you don't know what is it. You just want to reach the number that you put it in the program. For example, if you write 5, int I, you will start from 1 until you reach the number which is 5 that you put it in the program. And plus fact equal fact times I, and cout factorial equal fact, which we decline it, and and you can write int line. That's it. Another one, write a program that calculate the factorial for number from 1 to 10. So here he just specified that he want the factorial from 1 to 10. That means you will start here. Okay, let me so you have 2 4. Why 4? Or first 4 to number equal 1. And I want to focus here. Okay, so first one for the line, like you will like if you put or input like 10 or 5 number, the result will be factorial for 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 4 for the line first, and second 4 for the factorial itself. Okay, I know it's complicated, but practicing it will be like easy. So for int number equal 1, okay, number less than or equal 10, and number plus open bracket 4. Okay, so let's say it is I, or you can set I and make it J, it's fine. So I'm sorry, I int I 1, I less than or equal number. Here it is the same thing you wrote it in the previous example. Okay, and I plus. It is like here same thing what we wrote in the previous example, but we want this one to write the line. Okay, second one for the program itself. And here open bracket factorial equal factorial times I. Close it and see out factorial of number. You write it equal factorial. Okay. Last example. It is easy, believe me. Write a program that prints out the following. It is start and line. Here, if you notice, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have six lines and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 stars. How can we write it in for loop? You notice that you have to write for the line and for the program itself, or let's say for the stars, I'm sorry. So first for the line, let's say these lines, say int lines equal 1, lines less than or equal 6, because you want to stop because you want to write 6 lines, and lines plus because you will start from 1 to 6. Open bracket. 4. Here we call it stars. So stars, or I'm sorry, we have to write int first. Int stars. Stars less than or equal lines, and stars plus. Close it, or you don't have to close it. You can write C out. Here write stars and C out end line. Here, why don't you write end line? Because if you don't write end line, the result will be like this. It will be without. It will be in one line. So you have to renew the line. Okay. So this is for this one. It will be like this, right? Okay, what if he asks for descending order, like start from 6 or 5, let's say it's 5, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. How can you write it? First you write for int lines. He will start from 6, okay, and lines will reaches to greater than or equal 0, and then you will, or I think 1, yeah, because you want yeah, because you don't have a 0 line, you have line 1, and lines minus because you want 6 to 1. Open bracket. For, let's say, int stars equal 1 or 6, I'm sorry, I think, no, stars you will start from 5. Here we say 5, not 6. So here you have 5, and you will start from 5. Yeah, it's yeah, you start from 5, and stars less than or equal lines, and stars plus. Actually, in the second 4 you would not change anything. Same thing in stars. Here we forget int stars equal 1. Okay, let me check it if it is yeah, see, from 1 I went where is it? I write it, and I am sure of that. Maybe I forget it. Yeah, just like you have stars and you want to discarding, or I don't know what you can call it. Okay, factorial. This is for factorial. This is for the stars. Yeah, this is 1. This is like 1 and increasing. Maybe I forgot to do it, but I am sure of this one. Okay, this one is true. This is true, and this is true, but it is for this one. Int star is what? You will start from what? 1 or 2? Yeah, it's right, because you will start from 5 and you will descending, so it will be 4 and 3 and so on. Yeah, but if you want to start from 1, you will do int line 1 less than or equal, let's say 6 or 5, whatever, and int stars 1 lines. Yeah, that's it. So I will write it here. Descending order, it will be 4 int lines equal 1, lines less than or equal 5, and lines plus open bracket. For the stars, it will be int stars equal here 5, stars less than or equal line, and stars here, the stars will, or here minus plus, and yeah, that's it. So this is the end of part 2, quiz 2, programming 1. It was chapter 5 and 4, which is this about selections, and this is, you can find sentinel and flag, and while you have 4 switch. Yeah, wish me luck, and I wish you the best. Thank you.